Buenos tardes, amigos. Chappy here. I'm in sunny Mexico. We got a great episode coming up. First up, Appies with Chappy by the lake. Check it out.
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So for our appetizer today, I made some Hawaiian sliders with a little bit of hoisin sauce, fresh grilled pineapple, and Swiss cheese. Check out how I did it. Alright, to go with my Hawaiian slider, today we're going to do a low-calorie Moscow Mule. Any good Moscow Mule, you need a nice copper mug that keeps it extra cold. And a little bit of ice, and we'll go 2 ounces of vodka, an ounce of lime juice, freshly squeezed is usually better. What makes it a low-calorie Moscow Mule, we're going to substitute the ginger beer with Canada Dry Zero Sugar Ginger Ale. I think this is a new product. It's just like the Coke. They use the same ingredients or the same sweetener as the Coke Zero, but it's Canada Dry Ginger Ale Zero. And that, my friends, is a low-calorie Moscow Mule to go with my Hawaiian sliders. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappy saying, life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki.